Welcome back, folks, to another episode. A while back we were out running our short course trucks and I came off a jump around a corner, hit the throttle, and this thing didn't go anywhere. It just made a bunch of noise. So I haven't really messed with it since then. It's time we get back out there on our dirt track. So I'm going to take it apart. I need to see what parts I need to order. We're going to start by taking the rear end apart here. Get the parts on order, get this thing fixed so we can get back on the dirt track. Stay tuned. Alright, so we're going to start with the back end, see what the issue is here. Pull this cover off. Let's see, we have a pretty bad strip pinion down there, so that must be our issue. So we need new pinion gear. This setup's, I don't know, 7 years old now, 5 years old now. I did replace the ESC earlier when I was getting this truck back running. I'm thinking that not only a pinion, we're going to get a new motor for this thing. So I think we're going to do a motor and a pinion gear and hook it all back up and make this thing right. Noticing there's two, I had switched out this screw kit and I'm noticing there's one screw that I didn't switch out there. So, let's see here. What I gotta do to get this thing out? I'll pull the whole drive line out and everything. Wondering, probably not. Let's see. I need to check the screw kit. See if I have that screw, that's funny. There were definitely some extras. There it is. This was just hidden under that cover. I didn't know it was there. I knew it was there, I just didn't replace it. Alright. I'm gonna have to pull the whole back end off. Metal shavings. Okay, there's this freaking gear. Alright, alright, alright. Clean that up later. Let's put some of this back together at least. Okay. Hate having things apart. So I'm just gonna put it back together, set the roller, get all these little screws collected, get a motor, pinion gear on order. I think I know what I'm gonna order. I'm not gonna tell you guys yet, you'll have to wait till it's here. It's gonna be cool though, that's for sure. I do the wrong one. I don't know what to do there. Just leave it for now. Oh, it's because the piece isn't in, that's why it goes into here. Super excited that we finally got the short course truck apart and we know what we need to get it back up and running. Like I said, pinion gear is stripped, so we know we need one of those. We're probably going to be replacing the motor. This is an old Castle motor that went with one of our old setups. I've recently replaced the ESC in this truck, but it still has an old motor. So I think I'm going to get a motor, new pinion gear, get those on order today. Not going to tell you what motor we're going with yet. You'll have to tune into that video coming up. And once we get the parts on order, we'll get these things back together so we can get you guys some more short course truck action. If you like our content, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe below. Smash that notification bell so you don't miss out on any of our upcoming videos. And thank you for watching. We'll see you guys next time.